Welcome to Shri Ram Global School, the upcoming unit of Shri Ram Society of Real Education, a place where education is not just about learning, but a journey of growth, values, and excellence. Because here, education shapes not only minds, but hearts and character. This upcoming Shri Ram Global School proudly stands as a unit of Shri Ram Society of Real Education, a society that for over 30 years has been committed to providing quality, practical, and value-based education for every child. Guided by the vision and leadership of Dr. Amrita Jyoti Didi.
Namaskar. I am Manisha Anand, Academic Director. With great pride, I welcome you to our institution of knowledge and sanskar. Respected parents and dear students, it is truly my privilege to introduce our school's mission and values. Today makes the beginning of a new chapter, and I warmly welcome you to our newly expanded family of learning.
With a mission to uplift and inspire, we focus on affordable education for all, skill development for future readiness, community engagement for lasting impact, environmental awareness, student well-being through yoga, meditation, and moral education inspired by modern Gurukul values. With the spirit of Har Ghar Dhyan, Har Ghar Gyan, Har Ghar Shakti, we nurture mindfulness, knowledge, and inner strength in every child. Here, we believe education is not only about marks, it is about mindset, morals, and meaning.
A very warm greetings to all. I am from Shri Ram Global School. This school is not just a building with a classroom, it is a place where dreams take shape. Values are nurtured and futures are built. Hard work beats talent when talent does not work hard. At our school, we believe that every child is unique, capable and full of potential waiting to be discovered. Education today is not limited to books and examination. It is about developing holistic development in all the child in everywhere. So here in this school, we are catering and providing not only holistic development, kinesthetic development, and more or less we are making the child meet the talent and fit for 21st century skill, interdisciplinary skill, multitasking, and we are working on it. Thank you very much.
At Shri Ram Global School, upcoming unit of Shri Ram Society of Real Education, we bring the essence of the Gurukul tradition into today's modern world, where students learn discipline, respect, and sanskar, along with innovation, technology, and global exposure. We are truly the school of mind management, where discipline is the character, world-class facilities, and future-ready infrastructure.
Let us take you to our early childhood program, where every child starts their learning journey with joy and care.
To prepare our students for tomorrow's world, we proudly offer state-of-the-art facilities, including AI and robotics lab, where young minds explore artificial intelligence and innovation, STEM and innovation lab, encouraging creativity, experiments, and critical thinking, skill development courses for future-ready learning beyond textbooks, smart classrooms with digital boards and interactive teaching tools, computer and coding programs, building 21st century skills, language and communication labs, enhancing confidence and global fluency, career guidance and leadership training, shaping responsible future leaders, well-equipped science labs for physics, chemistry and biology learning, library and reading zones, nurturing imagination and knowledge, sports academy and physical development for strength, teamwork and discipline, art, music, and dance studios where creativity meets expression, yoga, meditation, and wellness programs supporting mental peace and focus. Safe campus with modern security, ensuring a protected learning environment. From the strong foundation of Shri Ram Model School and Senior Shri Ram Model High School, we now step into a new era of excellence with this new school. With smart classrooms, experienced mentors, and activity-based learning, we ensure every child grows with confidence and clarity. From academics to sports, arts to leadership, we provide opportunities for holistic development where discipline meets creativity and tradition blends beautifully with modern education. This upcoming unit of Shri Ram Society of Real Education is not just a school, it is a movement of real education, real values, and real transformation. Rooted in tradition, Shri Ram Global School, upcoming unit of Shri Ram Society of Real Education, where learning begins and success never ends.